What's it mean when the red light pulses? Does it mean it's on?
Yeah, yeah.
This is like magic. I cannot believe this. This is like a brand new carpet. Unbelievable. I never thought this carpet would get this clean. This is just absolutely unbelievable. I never thought this carpet, this is like brand new. I'm sorry, this is just blowing me out of the water. I mean, this is just gross.
Said you're a little stressed out now. Does that help your stress level?
Oh, you have no idea what it's done. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm getting a little distracted. I have to keep looking at how clean this is. I'm sorry. Your pictures are going to look kind of funny, but my God, I can't believe this. This is just unbelievable. I mean, I'm sorry. Oh my God.